Question number 41. The conclusions, findings of which type of research cannot be generalized to other situations. Option A, casual comparative research. Option B, historical research. Option C, descriptive research. D, experimental research. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, हिस्टोरिकल रिसर्च. सो findings of which type of research cannot be generalized to other situations, historical research. Question number 42. How to judge the depth of any research? By research title, by research duration, by research objectives, by total expenditure on research. इसका आंसर है सी, by research objectives we can judge the depth of any research. Question number 43. Who can successfully conduct research? इसका आंसर है डी, possesses thinking and reasoning ability. So in this question it is asked who can successfully conduct research. A person who is possessing thinking and reasoning ability, he can conduct research successfully. Question number 44. Which of the following is not the method of research? Option A, survey. Option B, historical. C, observation. D, philosophical. इसका आंसर है हमारा डी, philosophical is not the method of research. Philosophical, option D. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर है 45. A research problem is feasible only when. Options है it has utility and relevance, it is new and adds something to knowledge, it is researchable, all of the above. इसका आंसर है डी, all of the above. A research problem is feasible only when it has all the three options: utility and relevance, new and adds something to knowledge, and it is researchable. Question number 46. Circle graphs are used to show. Option A, how is one part related to other parts, how various sections share in the whole, how is one whole related to another whole, how are various parts related to the whole. इसका आंसर है हमारा डी, how are various parts related to the whole. Circle graphs are used to show how are various parts related to the whole. Option D. 47. Authenticity of a research finding is its. इसका आंसर है डी. ऑप्शंस है वैलिडिटी, ऑब्जेक्टिविटी, ओरिजिनलिटी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. सो authenticity of a research is its all of the above. Question number 48. Which one is called non-probability sampling? 48. Quota sampling, cluster sampling, systematic sampling, stratified random sampling. So इसका हमारा आंसर है ए, quota sampling. Quota sampling is called non-probability sampling. Question number 49. On what basis did Jean Piaget give his theory of cognitive development of humans? ऑप्शन है हमारे इवेल्युएशन रिसर्च, फंडामेंटल रिसर्च, अप्लाइड रिसर्च, एक्शन रिसर्च. इसका आंसर है फंडामेंटल रिसर्च, ऑप्शन बी. ऑन व्हाट बेसिस डिड जीन पियाजे गिव हिज थ्योरी ऑफ कॉग्निटिव डेवलपमेंट ऑफ ह्यूमंस? फंडामेंटल रिसर्च. What are the core elements of a dissertation? Introduction, data collection, data analysis, conclusion, recommendations. Option B, executive summary, literature review, data gathered, conclusion, bibliography. Option C, research plan, research data, analysis, references. Option D, introduction, literature review, research methodology, results, discussion and conclusions. So इसका हमारा आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर डी. Core elements of a dissertation are introduction, then literature review, then research methodology, then research, discussion and conclusion. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 51. Sampling cases can be defined as. sampling using a sampling frame, identifying people who are suitable for research, literally the researcher's briefcase, a sampling of people, newspaper, television program, etc. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, आइडेंटिफाइंग पीपल हु आर सुटेबल फॉर रिसर्च. सैम्पलिंग केसेस is the identification of people who are suitable for research. Question number 52. Which technique is generally followed when the population is finite? Options है systematic sampling technique, purposive sampling technique, area sampling technique, none of the above. 52. ऑप्शन है, आंसर का ऑप्शन है ए. Systematic sampling technique is followed when the population is finite. Research problem is selected from the standpoints of, इसका आंसर है researchers interest. सी, ऑप्शन सी. Research problem is selected from the point of researchers interest. The F test is essentially a two-tail test, is essentially a one-tail test, can be one-tail as well as two-tail depending on the hypothesis, can never be one-tail test. F test. इसका आंसर है सी, can be one-tail as well as two-tail depending on the hypothesis. Question number 55. Which one among the following is the most comprehensive source of pollution data? Census, National Sample Survey, Demography Health Survey, National Family Health Survey. So which one among the following is the most comprehensive source of population data is census. Option A, comprehensive source of population data. Question number 56. The process not needed in experimental research is option A, controlling, B, observation, C, reference collection, D, manipulation and replication. So the process not needed in experimental research is, इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर सी, रेफरेंस कलेक्शन. रेफरेंस कलेक्शन इज नॉट नीडेड इन एक्सपेरिमेंटल रिसर्च. क्वेश्चन नंबर 57. What are those conditions where a research problem is not viable? इसका आंसर है हमारा डी, it contain dependent and independent variable. Those conditions where a research problem is not viable. Option A, it is new and adds something to knowledge. It can be research. It has utility and relevance. It contains dependent and independent variable. Option number D. How can we enhance the research objective? इसका 58 का आंसर है हमारा डी. How can we enhance the research objective? We can enhance the research objective by making it more valid, by making it more reliable, by making it more impartial. All of the above. Question number 59. Action research can be understood as longitudinal research, applied research, kind of research being carried out to solve a specific problem, all of the above. इसका आंसर हमारा सी, a kind of research being carried out to solve a problem.